Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 1.5 from page number 25 of some basic concepts of chemistry, right? So let's read the statement. Calculate the mass of sodium acetate. They have given you the formula of sodium acetate, that is CH3COONA, required to make 500 ml of 0.35 molar aqueous solution. Molar mass of sodium acetate is 82.0245 gram per mole, right? They have given you the molarity, that is 0.375 molar, okay, of a solution whose volume is 500 ml, right? And molar mass of sodium acetate is 82.0245 gram per mole. You have to find the actual mass of the sodium acetate to make the solution that is having molarity 0.375, right? So first of all, we'll see the formula of molarity. Molarity, capital M equal to number of moles of solute, right? Solute is sodium acetate over here, CH3COONA, over total volume of solution in liter, right? So let's see the number of moles of solute. So how can you define number of moles? Number of moles of sodium acetate equal to actual mass of sodium acetate over molar mass of sodium acetate, right? Now they have given you the molar mass of sodium acetate, right? And volume. Now volume is in ml. So first of all, we'll convert this ml into liter, right? So 500 ml. So in rough you can write 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. 1 ml equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Simply put the values. So 500 divided by 1000 liter. So I'll cancel these two zeros with these, right? 5 by 10 equal to 0.5 liter, right? So let's make the formula according to the actual mass of sodium acetate, right? So capital M equal to W CH3COONA over M CH3COONA, right, into V, that is volume, right? They have given you the molarity, that is 0.375 molar. Molar means mole liter inverse, right? Actual mass we have to find, so W by molar mass they have given 82.0245 gram per mole, right? And volume is 0.5 liter, right? So keep W on one side and other values on the other side. So 0.375 mole liter inverse into 82.0245 gram per mole into 0.5 liter. Now cancel this liter inverse with this mole with this mole, right? Now you're having unit gram only. When you'll multiply 0.375 with 82.0245 and 0.5, your answer is 15.38 gram. That means 15.38 gram of sodium acetate when dissolved in 500 ml of the solution, it will form 0.375 molar solution.